Hello guys, welcome to techskillstutorial. This is your guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode. Boom guys, hello. I just came here with the latest update. But first of all, I just want to appreciate my subscribers who has been there supporting me, sharing, and also, making comments on the sections of my video. So thank you guys, and for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, you're welcome. What we'll do here is share business ideas and give you update about business, legitimate and legal business licensed in Nigeria. So guys, to support my channel as one of my subscribers, please just subscribe. Turn on the bell icon and do not forget to always share. Love you guys. Yeah, today I'm talking about the platform called MTFE. MTFE is a forex platform where you trade with an AI, artificial intelligence. You don't need to trade by yourself. This automatically trade for you. And why I'm advertising this platform is because whenever I bring you into this platform, it doesn't mean that I don't make money if I don't bring you, but I only bring you because I have a benefit of making extra percentage of my capital when I bring you in. And this is a platform where you only do what you turn on your AI button and it trade for you. So first of all, can we just go and make a due diligence about this platform? Like, let's check some research, make some review, and see reviews about this platform. So let's see how it goes from Play Store. First of all, let's go to Play Store. Play Store, let's see what's up with this platform. MTFE. So okay, here this is MTFE. Alright guys, we are on MTFE platform. So ratings and review about MTFE is right here. But one more thing, we really need to see all the review. Very important. Let's see if this platform is legit or is calm. Positive. This is positive. I know positive might have all the 5 stars. Sure. Okay, let's see critical. Critical has critical conditions has 1 star, 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. They have critical has a star. Wow. So somebody who even say this app is critical could give it a star. Let's read one of the critical conditions. The worst thing of this app is withdrawal process and customer service. If you want to reset the password or you forgot it, you will get a big trouble. This is option for recovery but doesn't work. You have go through the customer service. Yes, this app actually have a very tight high security system. Your fund will be at risk if they don't secure your account. So let's go to scam. Scam on Play Store. This app doesn't have any scam review, meaning is good. It's extremely good. So no scam review. So what do you think about the platform? Now, without saying much, let's go to the platform and see by ourselves. Let's go to the platform MTFE. Let's go to the platform. Let's see what's happening on the platform. I want to take you through. So what you do for me guys is try and join my Telegram group on the description, and also you can message me on my WhatsApp number, and also you can send me an email to techskillstutorial@gmail.com. So I'm on the platform guys. So here is it. I'm on the platform. So this is my account, my assets, and this is my wallet. So guys, this is my wallet guys. So you can see what I only do here is I just start my I go to my activity center and I clicked on my AI smart transaction contract account, turn on my AI button and start trading. It automatically trade for me. So what this does for you is it trades with your money, your capital. This is not just those kind of robots that trade for you and lost you into the market. These are human beings controlling this AI. They use this AI to support themselves because they might not really stay full time in the market. Human beings are here to trade for you with the AI. They are back to back with the AI. Robots trade for you and make a lot of mistake, but this AI is already built and have a humanly supports body attached to it. So all you make here on this platform is 1.8% to 5%. You get it? So actually I made some withdrawal. So I have this left. I made close to 100 USDT withdrawal. So guys, you can see that this platform is legit without saying much. They trade positions, contracts, charts, and all the rest. So what I'm saying here is, please, one thing in this platform is security management. On the description below, I'll be dropping a link on how to fund your account, another video, or you can just search on my channel. You'll see a video on how to fund your account, but I have to train you guys on how to set up your account. So join the Telegram group link on this description, and when you get to the Telegram group, you get more info. I'll take you through the platform, register you, and you have to start working. You make money. I can decide to withdraw now. Instant withdrawal. It gets to my wallet instantly. So that's pretty much of your time, guys. Hope you like the video, and I really do appreciate for supporting my channel. Thank you. Please do not forget, give it a like and share. Bye.